Fiverr, Upwork, and other platforms, especially for freelancers, are bullshit. Because every time you make an account and it performs like... There are many reasons for that. Not good portfolio, no experience, and much more. But if you really want to make money by selling your skills and become a top G,
What were you just watching?
you can use Discord. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the best communities for freelancers like you. So in number 1, Vecta Fox Hire. Just find Vecta Fox Hire and then join this server. Here you can find paid jobs, free jobs, and other things like for hiring or like hiring someone for your project. So in the second one, Dynamic Job Finder. Just type Dynamic Job Finder, join this server, and go to the section General. Then type whatever you want, like your portfolio. So guys, these are the best communities for finding jobs in Discord. Better than Fiverr and Upwork. So I hope that you like this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And again, thanks for watching. And always